Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is another series that I'm doing titling 4 seasons. I wanted to use a lot of negative space, but the color palettes of each season on the ocean. And so I think I've captured it pretty well. So today is the very first one, and I thought, well, let's start with winter. Here right now it's summertime, and so I wanted to start with winter, spring, summer, and fall because it reminds me of that song, winter, spring, summer, or fall. Okay, yeah, anyway. I'm gonna start with winter. That'll be my first one, and that's today's. So a lot of purples and blues and white. And so let's get you down on the canvas and let me show you exactly how I did this winter minimalistic, a lot of negative space pour. All right, let's get you down on the canvas. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell and give me a thumbs up. All right, talk to you soon. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing seasons on these 10 by 10s, and I've got the fall colors over here, I've got the winter colors, the spring colors, and the summer colors here. So I'm going to kind of put those off to the side so it gives me a little bit more room because I'm going to swipe. I'm going to do one big swipe on that, and I don't want to accidentally hit something. And it's a winter scene, so it's got to have a lot of white, which luckily my pillow is white already. So let's go ahead and get that on here. Okay, so I've got to be really careful with my blues and grays not to overpower the white. I am going to do it on a beach. I wish I would have done all of them on a beach, and I think I'll probably end up redoing them, but I am going to do them on a beach. So I'm going to take this one here, just kind of come across here. The other thing I wish I would have done better about is just a little tiny bit. So taking sticks and drizzle. Instead of dumping. And so I think that's what I'm going to do here, because I just want to be very careful about not, yeah, see, this would have been way better. It's not too much color. This is a Cell Activator, so is the brown or the off-white down here. Okay, let's go ahead and do a swipe. Much better. Holy cow. What? So as I'm doing this, it's pulling some of the paint down, which is really cool because it's making that color come out a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and stretch this a little bit, coming this way, and then we'll stretch it going the other way too. Okay. I really like that. So I think what I want to do is I want to bring them all back out, put a layer of like white right here, Cell Activator, and just swipe the entire thing. That's what I'd really like to do. So I have to create a white Cell Activator because I don't have one. All right, so now that I have that, I'm gonna put my white Cell Activator here and pull it this way. So I've got to double check my Cell Activator because it's just not giving me what I wanted. So anyway, all right, I gotta get, there's one spot down here I gotta, hopefully will come off. Okay, that one's done. That's winter. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.